So big project coming up here. We're here in the Arcadia Lite, Lower Biltmore area. This is our next flip project. It's gonna be a big project, adding some square footage. Probably gonna be looking to list it probably in the 1.2. But we're gonna be doing a lot of work to this project. Here, I'll just give you guys a little, show you a little bit about on the property. So this is the house here, all the way up to where my truck is at. We just purchased the property a couple of days ago. We're gonna keep the same roofing. We're gonna have some square footage here in the front. We're gonna change this front. This is no longer gonna be the front. We're gonna put a fence all around the property. I'll show you right now. Obviously, all this is gonna be gone. It's currently a 3-1. We're gonna make it into a 4-3. And we're gonna add a casita. So you see, it's been maintained pretty well, but you know, it's old school. We're gonna reconfigure that bathroom. A lot of changes. This is gonna be opened up and extended out. The new kitchen's gonna be in this area. Brand new windows, brand new everything. We're gonna extend it all the way to right here where the concrete ends. And that's gonna be on that side where that fence is at. That's gonna be the new entrance. We're gonna put an entrance on that side. All this is gonna be added square footage. Laundry's gonna be inside, obviously. It's gonna be a casita. We're gonna move that fence back out to make it into, you know, instead of losing, so we can add some more backyard to it. I'll keep you guys posted how it's going. So once we get it started, but it's gonna be a big flip. Looking forward to it.